Hello, my dear students. I am Archana. I hope you are fine. We have discussed chapter number 8, A Treat for Mosquitoes, in our video number 1, 2, and 3. This is the fourth video lecture of chapter number 8, A Treat for Mosquitoes. Today, we will revise all main concepts of this chapter. So, let's get started. We will solve one worksheet today. Question number 1 is malaria is caused by dash. So dear kids, the answer is female Anopheles mosquito. Dengue and chikungunya are caused by dash. The answer is Aedes mosquito. Question number 3. Mosquito needs dash for completing its life cycle. So dear kids, as we have discussed earlier, the answer will be water. Mosquito needs water for completing its life cycle. Question number 4. The lack of iron or hemoglobin in the blood is called dash. So the lack of iron or hemoglobin in the blood is called anemia. Question number 5. The medicine for malaria is made from the bark of dash tree. Do you remember, kids? Yes. So the medicine for malaria is made from the bark of cinchona tree. Question number 6. Normal range of hemoglobin is dash gram per deciliter. Just remember Aarti's report. Very good. So normal range of hemoglobin is 12 gram per deciliter to 16 gram per deciliter. So we can write the answer 12 to 16 gram per deciliter. Question number 7. The minimum required hemoglobin is dash gram per deciliter. Dear kids, minimum required hemoglobin is 12 gram per deciliter. The answer is 12 gram per deciliter. Number 8. Fishes eat dash of mosquitoes in water. Dear kids, fishes eat very good larvae of mosquitoes present in water. Number 9. What will happen when oil is spread on water? Dear kids, when there is a layer of oil on water, oil prevents oxygen supply to eggs and larvae of mosquitoes. So, the larvae will be killed. Number 10. In which season is malaria more common? Why do you think this happens? Yes, in which season there is more water? Rainy season. So the answer is rainy season because mosquitoes get suitable environment. Number 11. Typhoid, anthrax, cholera are caused by dash. So dear kids, typhoid, anthrax and cholera are caused by houseflies. Nancy saw an old pot behind her house. It was filled of water. Nancy saw thread-like structures in water. The thread-like structures in water are dash of mosquitoes. So do you remember the picture of larvae? Very good. So the thread-like structures in water are larvae of mosquitoes. Number 13. How can you find out if someone has malaria? Yes, very easy. By blood test. Similarly, anemia can also be found out by blood test. In case of malaria, blood testing, few drops of blood are taken out by doctor. But in case of anemia, blood testing, a syringe full of blood is taken by doctor. Right? Now in number 14. For some blood test, doctors need few drops of blood. But for some blood tests, they need a syringe full of water, full of blood. Why? So as I have given you example also that in malaria, if the person is having the symptoms of malaria, then doctors are taking out few drops of blood for the blood test. But if the patient is having symptoms of anemia, then doctors take out a syringe full of blood for the blood test. Dear kids, because different blood tests need different processing. Number 15 is Anuka always feels tired. She cannot concentrate on her studies. Doctor said that there is less iron in her blood. Is this same iron used to make keys? All of you are having keys at home made of iron. So the question is this same iron? No, this is not the same iron used to make keys. Right? Number 16. Dash dash are rich in iron. So any two food items you can write that are rich in iron. For example, apple, pomegranate, dates you can write, spinach you can write, amla also. Now moving ahead, number 17. Let's complete this cycle. So this is the life cycle of mosquito. Number 1 egg, number 2 dash, number 3 dash, number 4 adult mosquito. So now I have discussed with you in my earlier videos. After egg, which stage? Larval stage. So number 2 larva and number 3 will be pupa. Egg, larva, pupa and adult mosquito. Let's move. Question number 18. What can we do to protect ourselves from mosquitoes? Dear kids, you can do so many things to protect yourself from mosquitoes. Whenever you are going out, you can wear full sleeve clothes. You can use mosquito repellents like Good Night, Odomos. You can use mosquito nets also. If there is a pond nearby, you can spray kerosene. If there is a water tank nearby your house, you can put fish in that. So there are so many methods by which you can protect yourself from mosquitoes. Number 19. Why it is important to have normal range of hemoglobin? What will happen if your hemoglobin will fall down? Dear kids, you will not be able to study properly. You will not be able to concentrate. You will always feel tired if you will not be having normal range of hemoglobin. So, my dear kids, now read your chapter properly and solve its exercise also. Thank you. Stay home.